now there should be some key facts for successful reporting. Okay, many people will do reporting, many people will write report, but there will be some flaws in the report. It will be like 50% successful, 70% successful, because like communication is a skill. Some people are very good in communication, some people are like introvert, some are extrovert, some people share more information, some people share extra information, some people never share information, some people only share to the point information. Okay, so which thing is better, like sharing more information, sharing less information, sharing like moderate information? Like what nowadays you have seen that in WhatsApp or in Facebook or in Twitter or Instagram, people share too much videos, audios. Okay, like because it becomes their habit now, you see over there. Okay, which also wastes their time and also other people's time. Okay, because there is no, sometimes you don't need to report anyone, just for fun you are doing all these things. So it is also kind like a kind of reporting. And one kind of reporting is, it is just like nowadays it becomes like a citizenship, citizen journalism. Because so nowadays, sometimes the news come, for example, like some news from Saudi Desert, or like some other news comes to you before from the television. From before the television you get on your WhatsApp. So this is called like a citizen journalism over there. Okay, so now we want to see that what is the key factor successful for the reporting over there. Okay, so as we see here, the first most important thing is the clarity. If your report is clear, everything is clear, what is the problem, okay, what are the key points over there, this is one of the successful reporting over there. Second factor is the brevity. Okay, what do you mean by the brevity?
Maybe it will be brief.
Very good. Yeah, what you call ikhtisar, or what you call in Arabic, mukhtasar or ikhtisar?
Yeah, اختصار.
Ikhtisar, yeah, brevity. Okay, so means and clarity, what you call in Arabic, clarity, wadih or
وضوح.
wuduh, yeah. Okay, so clarity and brevity, these are a very much important thing for your report. So if your report have these, number one, this thing, okay, this is number one. Okay, second is the ikhtisar. Okay, third thing is the completeness. Okay, your report should not be half or quarter or 75%. It should be complete. So what do you call complete in Arabic?
مكتمل or كامل.
Kamil or
Yeah.
Muktamil? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so it means my Arabic is getting improved. Okay, right. So so the first thing is the clarity, second is the brevity, and third thing is the completeness. So your report should be complete, okay, and not missing any important thing. Sometimes you have 10 important factors and you mention only 9 and you forget the 10th one. Okay, so would you call it a complete or not complete? So it will be incomplete. Why? Because you are missing like one important factor. Maybe it is brief, it is very clear, but it is not complete over there if you are missing a point over there. The fourth thing is the correctness. Okay, fourth thing is what? Correctness. Correctness means you call it sahih or
صحيح.
Sorry. Okay, right. So correctness. It should be, the reporting should be correct. Okay. Like for example, if the problem is in a sales department, you should like report that sales department has a problem, not the HR department or not the engineering department. Okay. So the correctness of the report is important as well. Okay. So whenever you are reporting, it should not be. It should be very clear, very brief. It should be complete. And the most important thing is the correct. If it is not correct, then there is no faida. If you have like if it is clear, no benefit. If it is brief, no benefit. If it is complete, no benefit. The most important thing is the correctness over there. The integrity of this is called the integrity of the report. The integrity is very much important over there. Okay, if you make a very beautiful report, like everything is formatting is good, everything is good, clarity is good, it's brief, it's complete, but it is not correct. Okay, so you will get like a full marks or 0 marks for it. Definitely, then you will get like your boss will be angry on that what you give us a wrong report. And if you give a wrong report to your boss, what will happen? your boss will be angry, as well as there can be a big loss of money as well. Okay, for example, if you say that user has, for we need to pay back, for example, $100 to a user, okay, and you give a wrong username to your boss or to your customer service, okay, so in that case the wrong person will get the $100 over there, and the deserving will not get it. So it means this is a kind of a problem you will face it. So these are important things, factors in your reporting. Okay, successful reporting over there. Now we will have some reporting types over there. Okay, so what are the types of reporting we have it in terms of content and format over there. Okay, so what is the content inside it and what should be the format over there. Okay, so see, both are very important. So whenever you're reporting, the content is very important, what is inside your reporting, and the format is also. So this is one of the reasons that I cut some of 0.5 marks or something on the formatting. See, so you see over here, formatting is the most important thing. Why? Because your format is not good, so it will be harder for understanding to the people, and it will not good better. So now see types of reports. Okay, informal. Okay, so informal means it can be a single letter. Okay, you write a letter to your uncle, your father, or someone. Okay, nowadays the concept of letter is obsolete. It is replaced by the emails usually. Okay, so informal is emails. You have it. You write to your relatives, or even you can write a letter to officials as well, complaining about some like water leakage, or home is broken something, or there is a problem in a sanitary problem over there. Okay, road is broken over there. So you can write a letter or email to the ministries over there. Okay, so there is this is called like a like informal way of reporting. It's called a single letter or memo. So memo is what is the difference between a letter and memo? Can anyone tell me? So the most important thing, the difference in between the letter and the memo is that memo is a short, few lines. Okay, there's a few lines. Okay, and it's very informal. Okay, over there. But letters can be formal and informal both. Okay, but like there is further subdivision in the letters, like for example in communication. But usually all letters and memos are called as a informal reporting over there. Okay, right. And then formal. Okay, so what do you mean by formal? It can be like 10 to 100 pages. So if it is like more than 10 pages, so we call as a formal reporting. Usually your assignments, your projects, okay, or any for the reporting in industries over there. So it is like more than 10 to 100 pages. Okay, it has a cover letter. Okay, so cover, there should be some title and also, and it should have a summary. So it can be like a small summary, or it can be executive summary. Okay, because the executive people, they don't have much time to read all the report, they just read the summary for it and the text over there, right? So this is called the formal reporting over there. Short report means periodic means after 1 week, after 2 days, or after you send some small notes over there. So these are the short reports. Short reports are just like a different notes, or informative, some information in that one, or investigative in things. So these are the different kinds of reports we have it.